Stop! Don't throw that away. What if I told you that the rough, prickly pineapple peel you're about to dump into the trash might actually be one of the healthiest parts of the fruit? It sounds crazy, right? But here's the disturbing truth. Every single day, millions of people around the world throw away something that could cleanse their body, fight inflammation, boost immunity, and even slow aging. And the strangest part, the secret healing power has been sitting right there, on the outside of the pineapple, this entire time. In this video, we're uncovering the hidden world of pineapple peels, what's really inside them, what they can do for your body, and how to safely use them to transform your health naturally. So before you ever toss that peel again, stick around, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you see pineapples forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Horizon, your go-to space for simple, natural, and powerful health tips that actually work. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because we drop videos that help you live healthier, happier, and naturally. Now, let's get into this spiky, golden mystery, the pineapple peel. The hidden treasure in pineapple peel. Most of us see the pineapple peel as useless waste, just something to cut off and throw away. But the truth is, that rough outer layer is a nutrient powerhouse. Inside the peel, scientists have found bromelain, a natural enzyme that can do incredible things for your body. Bromelain helps break down proteins, supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and even helps your body burn fat more efficiently. The peel also contains vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, and manganese, all vital nutrients your body needs for strong immunity, glowing skin, and healthy bones. So imagine this, every time you toss out the peel, you're literally throwing away medicine your body could use. Top 6 science-backed health benefits of pineapple peel. 1. Natural detoxifier and digestive cleanser. Pineapple peel is an incredible natural detox. When boiled in water, the peel releases enzymes and antioxidants that help cleanse your digestive system and liver. It removes toxins, improves bowel movement, and reduces bloating, leaving you feeling lighter and more energetic. Unlike expensive detox teas that are full of additives, this one is 100% natural, and it's probably already in your kitchen. 2. Boosts immunity and fights infections. Vitamin C in the peel acts as your body's personal shield, protecting your cells and boosting your immune defense. Regularly drinking pineapple peel tea can help your body fight off colds, coughs, and even some viral infections faster. It's nature's immune booster, no supplements needed. 3. Supports heart and blood health. Studies have found that the compounds in pineapple peel can help lower bad cholesterol and improve blood circulation. That means better oxygen flow, a stronger heart, and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. It's like giving your heart a natural cleaning service from the inside. 4. Reduces inflammation and eases joint pain. Here's where it gets interesting. Bromelain, found mostly in the peel, is a natural anti-inflammatory enzyme. If you suffer from arthritis, muscle pain, or swelling, pineapple peel tea can help reduce discomfort naturally. It's so powerful that bromelain is even used in some natural anti-inflammatory supplements. 5. Promotes glowing, youthful skin. The antioxidants and vitamin C in pineapple peel protect your skin from free radical damage, which is what causes wrinkles, dark spots, and dullness. Regular consumption of pineapple peel tea can help your skin look clearer and more radiant. Some people even use cooled peel water as a natural face toner to tighten pores and brighten the skin. 6. Strengthens teeth and bones. Thanks to its manganese and calcium content, pineapple peel helps maintain strong bones and teeth. It also supports collagen production, which keeps your joints flexible and your skin firm. How to make pineapple peel tea safely. Alright, now let's talk about how to make this amazing health drink at home. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients. The peels from one ripe pineapple. 1.5 liters of water. Optional, ginger, cinnamon, or mint for flavor. Instructions. 1. First, wash your pineapple thoroughly. Scrub it under running water with a little salt or vinegar to remove dirt and pesticide residue. 2. Peel the pineapple and cut the skin into smaller pieces. 3. Add the peels to a pot with 1.5 liters of water. 4. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. 5. Strain the tea and let it cool a little. You can drink it warm in the morning on an empty stomach, or chill it in the fridge for a refreshing detox drink. The right way to use it, dosage and tips. Start small, about 1 cup a day. You can drink it 3 to 4 times a week, depending on your body. If you love it, make it part of your routine, but always listen to your body. Safety precautions and who should avoid it. While pineapple peel tea is natural and safe for most people, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're allergic to pineapple, avoid it completely. If you have stomach ulcers or acid reflux, drink in moderation, as bromelain can sometimes cause irritation. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a doctor first. And if you're taking blood thinners or medications, always check with your doctor before starting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves natural remedies, and subscribe for more powerful health discoveries.